When precision defines the future, every bend matters. CNHAWE provide rich configurations with infinitely adaptable to delivering customized upgrade and retrofit solutions for you. Our CNC-controlled follower supports auto-sync with bending angles, achieving plus or minus 0.1 degrees tracking precision while moving on linear guides. 5/9 point laser matrices create 360 degrees protection zones, reducing mechanical hazards by 98%. Real-time laser calibration ensures 99.7% angle consistency, even in 24/7 production. Powered by Wheela's 20-ton clamping force, tool changes become 70% faster with zero manual adjustment. From 3+1 to 8+1 axis, our modular back gauges adapt to any profile, aerospace alloys or architectural panels. Your unique process deserves a tailored solution. Visit CNHAWE to start co-creating your next-gen press brake.